Drawn into the backdrop here, you could fade